Okay, this is going to be my second attempt at this video because my dog started barking. Um, Someone told me that they have a hard time hearing me. I'm going to try to talk a little louder. I make these videos when my husband is sleeping and resting because I said before how he has cancer, so I try to do this when he's sleeping, but I don't want to disturb him, so I'm going to try to talk louder. I apologize. I'm trying to find a microphone, maybe. I think I can do that. All right, so let me start over. I had gotten through 3 products. So let me go back, and I'm going to be unboxing the Sephora Play and a small little Sephora haul that some stuff I ordered. It's not much. So Sephora Play is also a monthly subscription. It's $10 plus tax a month. There is free shipping. You get 5 samples plus a bonus sample, which is usually like a perfume, or sometimes it's like a shampoo and conditioner packet. Anyway, you get makeup, you can get hair care, skin care, fragrance. You usually get a drawstring makeup bag. You get the Play Pass to redeem in the store. You get with your monthly thing, you get a little card that comes with it that you can redeem in the store for 50 bonus beauty insider points. And with your insider points, you can trade them in for products, full size, sample size, different sizes. So I'm going to go ahead and first I'll show you what the bag looks like. This month, usually it's a drawstring bag, but this month it's like a little Ziploc baggie. It says, opens bag, pours out samples, high five self. I actually think I like this bag better. Not sure. Well, I'm going to go ahead and go to where I was at. I received Makeup Forever. It was the Ultra HD Perfector Blurring Skin Tint with Sunscreen. It's got SPF 25 in it, and I rubbed it in my hand here, and it does actually look like it's a good color for me, except I don't wear foundation much because usually it gets all in my fine lines and makes me look worse than I already do, so I don't often wear foundation. And the next thing I pulled out was this. This is by Nude Sticks. It is a lip and cheek pencil, and it says a dual purpose matte color pencil in a rosy hue that works for lips and cheeks. And I'm going to swatch it. And it was sealed, but I unsealed it in my last attempt, my first attempt at this. I really like that color. Then the next sample I pulled out was the bonus sample, Nomad Chloe, and I sprayed it. Oh, and I think it smells great. I love it. It smells wonderful. Okay, so now this is where we are. I don't know anything else. Okay, so Basquiat cactus water. I mean, can you? I'm terrible at pronouncing things. It's a cactus water moisturizer, a lightweight moisturizer formulated with Queen of the Night cactus for soft, supple skin. It's like a gel. And it smells very nice. I like the smell of that. It's very, very soft, and it penetrates right in the skin. I like that. Most definitely be trying that. I lost my bag. Alright, the next thing is the Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Face Primer with coconut water and a replenishing primer that hydrates skin and creates a perfect canvas for makeup. Well, again, I don't usually wear foundation, but I will give these two a try. Maybe I will find something that works for me. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, one more. Okay, and last but not least is the Peter Thomas Roth Clinical Skincare Hungarian Thermal Water. That's by, I don't know. It is a powerful heat mask that uses Hungarian thermal water to nurture skin. What makes ancient mineral rich thermal water innovative, the water hydrates skin and infuses it with the vital nutrients to visibly reduce the look of fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, and even skin tone. Oh, well, yes, that's a definite win. Maybe if I can help reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, we can try to find a nice foundation. Okay. Well, that seems to be it. There's nothing really... Oh, wait a minute. Here we go. What is this? It says Going Green. It says, here's a movement everyone can get behind. The more environmentally friendly the packaging, the better. That's why our new Play by Sephora bag isn't just on trend. Hello, clear accessories. It's also 100% recyclable. Oh, okay. So, I wonder if that means they're going to be changing to these bags. I like the bags. I give my grandkids the other little drawstring bags. Okay, so now for my little mini haul. And I meant to open this before I did this video, but I didn't. So, watch out, Gizmo. I don't hate to cut my little baby. Okay. So this is what it looks like. It's not much. I didn't order very much. But I am crazy about these. I love these Sephora, the watermelon cleansing wipes. Love these. I've been going through 2 packs. So this time I thought I'd give a few of them a try. So I got the the watermelon. I got the coconut. I did buy one of these for my purse before, and I liked them. So I went ahead and ordered a full size. And I also ordered, another small one. For my to-go bag, not my purse. And I got the cucumber ones also. And was that it? Yeah, yes it was. And I was able, since I spent more than $25, I picked this Too Faced. Oh look, now I have two Too Faced products. I picked the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara sample. Well, that's kind of different. I'll try it. I love mascara samples. I got replica. Don't know how to get in replica. Okay, I'm going to spray this on me since I sprayed the nah. No, I'm good. I picked, these are my samples, the 3 samples you can pick. I picked Gimme Brow sample to try that out. So, you know, it's just a little, not real sure what that is, but it's just a sample. And I have a shampoo and conditioner packet. So it looks like that's it. And that was my mini Sephora haul. And I thank y'all so much for coming back and watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And if you would, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. I'd appreciate it so much. And so would Gizmo. He would really appreciate it. I thank you again, and I hope y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.